We're making kitchen sink minestrone. Render 1 cup bacon, add in 2 cups carrot, 2 cups celery, 2 cups onion, 1 bay leaf, coat in the bacon fat, reduce to medium-low heat, cover and cook for 10 minutes. Add 1 cup of soaked beans and 1 tablespoon of beef bouillon. Stir, add 1 quart of water and cook until the beans are tender. Add your favorite seasonings like an herb blend or oregano. Add 1 quart of chicken stock and Parmesan rinds if you have it. Add 1 cup of halved cherry tomatoes, 1 cup of sliced sun-dried tomatoes, a bowl of kale, and 1 quart of green veggies chopped. Simmer for about 5 minutes. Add 1 pint of dried pasta and simmer until the pasta is cooked all the way through. This is Test Kitchen Quarantined.